Welcome to MoEa, introducing our sustainable bio sneakers made from fruits and plants. Apple, grape, pineapple, corn, and cactus. Here are the fruits and plants that make our revolutionary sneakers bio sneakers.
We love sneakers, but what we don't love is their impact on the environment.
Most of your sneakers are made out of leather or plastic. Both have a significant carbon footprint, and both are cruel to animals.
We say enough.
We use the most innovative materials, biomaterials. They're made from fruits and plant waste. We're launching 5 plants, each in 2 colours. From the juice industry in Italy, apple sneakers. From the wine industry in Italy, grape sneakers. From the Mexican desert, cactus sneakers. From the non-edible American corn, corn sneakers. And from pineapple leaves in the Philippines, pineapple sneakers. The fruits and plants are recycled and blended with stabilizers like organic cotton or bio-PU. It gives birth to a leather-like, breathable and comfortable material. Biomaterials reduce our dependency to leather and plastic. They emit 89% less carbon than leather. They're sustainable and certified, animal-free and stylish.
When you choose your color, you choose your plant. Just pick your team.
I love apples, so I chose the right ones.
And I wanted the all white, so I got the one made from grapes.
Or you can wear all fruits in one pair with our special all-in pair. All of our components are sustainable. The inside is made of recycled bamboo, vegan and breathable. You can wear our sneakers with or without socks. Our laces are made of organic cotton, our soles of recycled rubber, and our insoles of recycled wood fibre. MoEa sneakers are comfortable, water-resistant, durable, ready to take you on all your adventures. Beyond materials, we are committed to operating responsibly.
No sneakers are eternal.
So you'll be able to send your old MoEa back to us, and we'll recycle them into new soles. Our sneakers are handcrafted in Portugal, respecting all European labour standards, and we're approved vegan by PETA. Our design and prototypes are ready. We now need your help to launch the first production. Be the first to wear our stylish bio sneakers. We hope you'll join us in our project to deeply change the fashion industry.
And to create sneakers with always Mother Earth in mind.
Thank you all in advance.